This is a problem-solving discussion. If you dissolve 0.7 mole of HCl to prepare 250 milliliter solution, what is the molarity? Molarity is expressed in mole of solute per liter of solution. So we need to convert 250 ml into liter first so that we can plug it into our molarity equation. Okay, so given 0.7 mole and 250 ml, which is equivalent to 0.25 liter, then the molarity is 2.8 moles per liter or 2.8 molar. Another, how many moles of ethyl alcohol are present in 65 ml of 1.5 molar solution? Again, 65 ml is first converted to liter. That will be 0.065 liter. And this is your molarity expression. Okay, so plugging in the values, you have given is 1.5 moles per liter, and the volume converted from here, your unknown is mole of solute. Then you rearrange the values so that the unknown is on one side and all the known values are on the other side. Okay, so that will give us 0.098 mole. Okay, bakit 0.098 ang aking round off? Because our given consists of two significant figures. And so our final answer contains two significant figures also. How many liters of 6 molar solution of acetic acid contain 0.0030 moles of acetic acid? So, ang ating problem dito ay to find liter. Okay, liter solution, the volume of solution. So, this is the unknown, given yung mole, given yung concentration. All you need to do is separate the unknown from the known values. Okay, so that will give us 5.0 times 10 to the minus 4 liter. Again, 5.0, two significant figures kasi ang given natin ay two significant figures. Likewise, ito two significant figures. This is a problem taken from Skoog, from our textbook. Na-screenshot ko lang. Describe the preparation of 2 liters of 0.018 molar barium chloride from a dihydrate. You are given the molecular weight. So, our molarity expression is M mole per liter. Okay, so our target molarity is 0.108. 2 liter solution. Okay, so mole should be converted to gram because this is something that we can measure in the lab. Okay, mag-measure tayo ng mass to prepare a solution. Mass of solute to prepare a solution. So to convert mole to grams, gram per molecular weight. Gram divided by molecular weight or mass divided by molecular weight, that will give us mole of a substance. So your unknown here is grams, x grams of the solute. Okay, so we rearrange, we place the unknown on one side and all the known values on the other side. That will give us X grams. 52.7688 rounded off to 52.8. Okay. Take note, ang hanap natin dito ay grams. So that, if you cancel out units, dapat ang maiiwan grams. Tingnan natin kung maiiwan ba yung grams. Mole will cancel out with mole. Liter in the numerator will cancel out with liter here in the denominator. At ano ang naiwan? Gram. So, yun na yung clue ninyo. Kung ang unit ninyo will correspond to what you are looking for. So, dito kasi hinahanap natin mass. And then, in the final cancellation of units, in your final answer, ang lumabas mass unit, tama na kayo. Okay, next problem. Describe the preparation of 500 ml, 0.0740 molar chloride solution from solid barium chloride dihydrate. Okay, again, 500 ml converted to liter will be 0.5 liter. Then, what else do we need to know? When barium chloride is dissolved in water, since this is ionic, will dissociate into barium positive 2 rather, or barium ion and dalawang chloride ions. So walang maiiwan dito as barium chloride. All of them will be converted into ions. Take note, for every 1 mole of barium chloride, dalawang chloride ions ang mapuproduce. Kaya, okay, molarity of chloride over 2 will be the molarity of barium chloride that we need. Okay, since 0.074 molar ang gusto nating magawa, divided by 2 is mole of barium chloride that we need in 0.5 liter solution. So this is mole, mass over molecular weight. Okay, and then we rearrange to put the unknown on one side and all the known values on the other side. Okay, ano bang hanap natin dito? Mass. Okay, tingnan natin kung mag-i-end up tayo with a final unit na mass. Mole will cancel out with mole. Liter in the numerator with liter in the denominator. Ang maiiwan is grams. Okay? 4.52 grams of barium chloride. Tatlong significant figures. Dahil tatlong significant figures dito. This is now a relationship between density and molality later. A commonly purchased disinfectant is 3% by mass solution of hydrogen peroxide in water. Okay, so etong 3% by mass is the mass of hydrogen peroxide. Assuming the density of the solution is 1 gram per cc or cubic centimeter, which is also equivalent to 1 ml. Calculate the molarity and molality. First, we need to understand ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng density. Density is mass of a substance per unit volume of that substance. So, pwedeng density of water, mass of water per volume of water or pure substance. Pwede ding mag-apply yan sa mixture. Okay, mass of the whole thing, meaning hindi lang solute or hindi lang solvent ang density. It's mass of the whole thing per volume. Okay, mass, so it's the mass of solute and solvent together. Okay. Okay. Okay, so what do we mean by 3%? 3% by mass. So this refers to the solute, hydrogen peroxide. It means for every 100 grams of solution, 3 grams doon ay hydrogen peroxide. Okay, so 3 grams of solute per 100 grams of solution. If I multiply it by the density, okay, na-discuss natin ang density sa previous slide, I will have now the concentration, kasi ito na yung minultiply ko na by 3 over 100. Ito na yung concentration ng solute per ml of solution. Okay, molarity, moles of solute per liter of solution. I need to convert this to molar expression. So, kailangan kong magawa to ng mole at kailangan kong gawin tong liter. Okay, so eto, if I divide it by 34 grams, which is the molecular weight, this is grams of hydrogen peroxide, molecular weight of hydrogen peroxide, that is 1 mole for every mole of hydrogen peroxide, I will convert 0.030 grams into mole of hydrogen peroxide. And yung per ml na yan, if I multiply it by a factor, 1 liter over 1,000 ml, I will convert ml unit to liter. Okay, so kung mag-cancel out tayo, ml will cancel out with ml, ang maiiwan liter. Gram will cancel out with gram, ang maiiwan mole. So ano na lang ang natira? Mole per liter, which is the expression of molarity. Okay, so that is our answer. Again, same problem, but this time we'll talk about molality. Again, it's 3% solution. This 3% refers to the solute. Okay, 3 grams of solute per 100 grams of solution. So, in a 100 gram solution, kung 3 grams ang solute, ano ibig sabihin? Ilan yung solvent? Kailangan nating malaman ngayon kung ilan yung solvent. So, if 3% yung solute, 97% yung solvent. So, that means 97 grams per 100 of solvent per 100 grams of solution. Now, we consider 100 grams of solution. Okay. Molality is moles of solute per kilogram of solvent. Alam na natin yung na 3 grams yung solute, kapag dinivide natin by its molecular weight will give us mole of solute. Ngayon, ang susunod dito is to convert solvent, yung mass of solvent into kilogram. Again, balik tayo. Kung meron kang 100 grams, 97 grams doon ay solvent. So, 97 grams of solvent. I convert this to kilogram. So that, ang maiiwan, gram-gram will cancel out. Gram-gram here will cancel out. Yung mole pupunta sa taas. Okay? Ang mole pupunta sa taas at yung solvent pupunta dito. Rather, kilogram solvent pupunta dito. Okay, so after that, okay, you will have mole per kilogram solvent, okay, which is the unit for molality. Again, relationship between molarity and normality. Kapag HCl, 2.5 molar HCl, isa lang ang kanyang hydrogen, acidic hydrogen. Kaya ang normality will also be the same. Will also give me 2.5 molar. If 2.5 molar of if I have 2.5 molar of HCl, that will also give me 2.5 normal of HCl. With sulfuric acid, dalawa ang kanyang hydrogen, acidic hydrogen. Kaya, yung normal magiging doble. Okay, so 1.4 molar of sulfuric acid will give me 2.8 normal sulfuric acid. Sa sodium hydroxide, isa lang ang kanyang hydroxide. Kaya molarity is equal to normality. In the case of calcium hydroxide, dalawa ang kanyang hydroxide. So, molarity, ang molarity niya, if converted to normality, 2 times. Okay? So, 0.5 times 2 magiging 1 normal calcium hydroxide. Okay, so this is a normality problem. Okay. Calculate the normality of a solution containing 15.8 grams of potassium permanganate in 50 ml acidic. Okay. So, dapat malaman natin ano ang condition. Because, if the condition is acidic, ito ang kanyang reaction. Okay? Yung isang permanganate ion will take up 5 electrons. Okay? So, normality is equivalent per this is normality expressed in milli-equivalent kasi andito yung 1,000. Okay? Pwede rin kasing normality is expressed in milli-equivalent per ml or pwede rin normality is expressed in equivalent per liter. Okay, so ang given 15.8, 50 ml. Eto, kailangan natin to. Okay, to know the equivalent weight. Okay, kung sa molarity yan, molecular weight. Okay, so molar mass over valence factor. Ano yung valence factor? Depende sa reaction. In this case, ang valence factor is 5. So, molecular weight, 158 over 5. Ang equivalent weight niya is 31.6. Okay. Ito yung sinasabi kong normality expressed in equivalent of solute per liter of solution. Okay. So, this is the mass given in the problem divided by the equivalent weight. Okay. Gram over gram per equivalent will give me equivalent. And then 50 ml is converted to liter, 0.050 liter. That will give me 10 equivalents per liter or 10 normal. Okay, another problem involving a material that is used in redox reaction. Okay, this time it's potassium dichromate. Our target is 0.01 normal and 100 ml or 1 liter. Now, potassium dichromate, its reaction. So, kung mag-reduce siya, when it is involved in oxidation reduction reaction, dichromate, in acidic solution again. Okay, and if we introduce the electron, 6 electrons are involved. Kaya, from molecular weight na 294.18 divided by the valence factor, I will have an equivalent weight of 49.03. So again, normality is equivalent of solute per liter solution. Ang target normality natin is 0.01 normal. We do not know how much we need, but we can express this in equivalent of solute per liter. Equivalent of solute. X grams of solute divided by its equivalent weight. And then, the volume is 1 liter. And then we rearrange para yung X grams andun na sa kabila and all the known values sa kabilang side of the equation. Okay, so normality is 0.01 normal or 0.01 equivalent per liter. Okay, so ito 49.03 gram per equivalent. Okay, and 1 liter. Tingnan natin, ano ang magka-cancel out? Equivalent to equivalent here. Liter in the numerator, liter in the denominator. So, anong maiiwan? Gram, which is what we are looking for. Okay.